Okay, dear students, today I'm going to show you how to join in and Remind. Okay, you should be here already on the file where Remind is, you're supposed to be working on Remind, and you already have entered this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to do, you're going to type on the URL box remind.join/com. You're going to press enter. As soon as you press enter, it's going to take you to a screen that is going to ask you for a class code. So where are you going to get your class code? I have placed it here on the bottom, on the main page of the file. So you're going to copy paste the number without the @ sign, because that's already there. Okay? Now you're going to paste, press enter, and you're already in. Okay, right after that, what I need you to do is to send me a message that know that you're in. Just tell me, Chef Guerra, I'm in, and I will take your attendance for that. Okay, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you next week.